Arab League calls for the early resumption of talks in Somalia. US President Joe Biden has rescinded a national emergency at the US-Mexico border. Arab coalition intercept Houthi ballistic missile and 2 drone targeting Saudi Arabia. South Korea and the US vow to make the Korean peninsula free of nuclear weapons. UN says cooperation between China and the US vital for the world in wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. In Afghanistan, 5 security personnel have been killed in an attack on a United Nations convoy near the capital Kabul. Pakistan Navy ready to play a positive role for peace in the region, said Naval Chief. Japan received the first batch of COVID-19 vaccine and courtesy of Pfizer.